Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through how to connect your Squarespace domain to Emergent AI. Start by opening your Emergent AI dashboard and selecting your project. Once your project is ready, click on Deploy. On the next screen, click Start Deployment. You will see that each deployment costs 50 credits per month. A confirmation box will appear. Click Deploy Now. After deployment is complete, go to the Custom Domain section and click Link Domain. A field will appear where you should enter your Squarespace domain. After typing your domain, you will be prompted to configure your DNS records. Choose the option Configure with Entry. A new window will open. Click Continue and enter your email address. You will receive a verification code. Enter the code to verify your email. After your email is verified, Entry will ask you to authorize access to manage your Squarespace DNS. Click the Authorize button. Once connected, Entry will automatically apply all the required DNS records to your Squarespace domain. There is nothing else you need to configure manually. The domain connection process will now begin and may take up to 48 hours to fully update. After that, your Emergent AI project will be live and accessible through your Squarespace domain. Thanks for watching.